Let's take a trip, come along with me. We'll visit countries across the sea.
S for Australian, where kangaroos hop. Is for Brazil, where dancers don't stop.
Q is for Canada, so snowy and bright. U is for Denmark, with castles in sight. E is for Egypt, with pyramids tall. F is for France, with a tower so tall.
G is for Germany, with forests so green. H is for Haiti, by the ocean so clean.
I is for India, with colors so bright. J is for Japan, with lanterns at night.
K is for Kenya, with lions so free.
L is for Haiti, by the blue sea.
M is for Mexico, with tacos so yummy.
N is for Norway, where snow feels so funny.
O is for Kenya, with deserts so wide. P is for Peru, where llamas reside. Q is for Qatar, so sunny and neat. R is for Russia, with snow at your feet.
She is for Spain, where people dance fast. U is for Thailand, with temples so vast. U is for Ukraine, with fields full of wheat. V is for Vietnam, where food is a treat. V is for Wales, with hills rolling high. It's quite tricky, let's wave it by. U is for Yemen, with mountains so tall. Z is for Zambia, with waterfalls.
We travel the world from A to Z. So many places
For you and me.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.